Motorcyclist killed after racing with flashlight in St. Mary. Body of unidentified man found in St. Anne. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A motorcyclist who was reportedly riding with the aid of a flashlight is dead, while another he was racing with is hospitalized following a crash in St. Mary on Friday night. The deceased has been identified as Maurice Ireland of Anota Bay in the parish. It is reported that the incident happened as Ireland and the other motorcyclists were racing along Devon Penn Main Road in St. Mary. The body of a man who is suspected to have been murdered between Friday night and Saturday morning was found in Lime Hall, St. Anne. His identity has not been released. The news media understands that the man was shot and killed. Reports are that residents heard explosions and summoned the police. Upon the lawmen's arrival, the body of a man was seen with gunshot wounds. Police sources are theorizing that a high-powered weapon was used to kill the man.